What's going on, my YouTubers? About to do a little working around the shop today. It's a really beautiful day in Atlanta, Georgia, where we are located. So, yeah, we've got all kinds of projects and things. Some of them have been sitting and waiting for a while. And we'll be getting on the 1990 Chevy K1500 outside that has been terrorizing me for 3 months now. But just want to give you a little tip, a little mechanics hack here. If you work on cars a lot, or even motorcycles, or anything that you might be, if you wear a belt on your pants and you're worried about scratching the paint of the vehicle, and if you don't use a fender mat or you don't use an apron or whatever, here's what I do. Simply move the buckle of your belt over to the side. You will no longer have to worry about scratching up the paint job or, dinging whatever you're working on. That used to bug me a lot. Now I know a lot of people don't even wear belts anymore, but I still do. So that is my fix. Just move the belt over. You'll no longer have to worry about it, like when you're leaning over the car or whatever. Like it would happen to me a lot. I'd be like, leaning over the fender or whatever, and all of a sudden your belt buckle would be like hitting on the fender, So yeah, if you don't use a fender mat, like I don't, there's your fix. Rotate your belt buckle, no longer scratching up anything. There you have it. We got other kinds of hacks and fixes and vehicles we work on. Here's one of my beloveds. Harley Bobber, a custom-made bike that I did, a couple of years ago. Check out other videos on that. Awesome motocross bike. We're into motocross over here as well. Check out our videos on this guy. Just look up YZ250 or YZ270. We got so many videos on that thing. Polaris Trailblazer we're working on right now. Check videos out on that. Harley Road King, 2000 Road King over there. 71 Buick Skylark with a 350. Check out videos on that. Man, we just got stuff. Here's another project sitting and waiting. YZ85, obviously a project in wait. So just check out our stuff, man. We got videos everywhere. How to use maybe tools differently or better. How to solve problems. How to fix stuff. How to do things quicker, faster, easier, cheaper, whatever, We're about to do some soldering today. So if you like soldering, we're going to be doing some of that today. I got my Weller WE-S51 soldering iron. I'm fairly new into soldering, but I really enjoy it. Actually, it was this bike here that I learned about soldering, because I'd never really done much of it until this project. So check out other videos on this bike, this awesome bike here. Thing runs so well, so freaking awesome. Anyway, I'm rambling. I tend to ramble. But yeah, we have some soldering stuff on our channel. And, you just never know what you'll find. We got about almost 1,500 videos on our channel. And surely you'll find something that'll either entertain you or teach you something or who knows what. So that's it for now. I'm sure we'll post some more later on today. So we'll see y'all later. Biker Dave again here from Horsepower House in Atlanta, Georgia. See y'all later.